body. As usual program, once the minister from then on, we'll start off with a welcome. Welcome. Thank you for this is the second. First was held in Suva last consultations. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, good to be here this morning. As I said, to be up for drawing or designing the national youth policy. All of you are going to participate here this morning.
And some new ones as we begin this very important consultation on the national youth policy. Many of you will remember that early this year, in March, we had the National Youth and Sports Conference in Suva with the theme Empowering Youths to be Agents of Change and Promoting Sports for Development. That theme, ladies and gentlemen, carried with the underlying message that this government believes in our young people and their ability to contribute to our nation. So I'm happy here to note that the process has begun through a consultative approach on the national youth policy and to get your input into it. We are all aware that Fiji is a young population. 70% of our population are below the age of 40. This basically means that this consultation you are part of is for all the youth groups and youths, as this policy is for you and will mean important policy initiatives will arise from the resulting documents. We want to hear your views so that we can adjust to meet your needs now and in the future. These are various other organizations which work with you, whose input will be valuable. But the youth are our primary client. We have initiated this series of consultation in Suva, as mentioned earlier on, last week. And after this, we will have one in Lambasa. Please do engage in this deliberation and make your contribution to the policy before we finalize and present it to the cabinet to guide our work. With that said, I take this moment to acknowledge the support of the UNICEF who have funded this consultation with my ministry. Can we all put our hands together? And that signifies their commitment to our programs for this policy, which will be an overarching document, the framework that aligns all programs and services of the ministry regarding the youth development in this country. Not just policy, but an action plan with a monitoring and evaluation framework developed to monitor its implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, youth are diverse. Those who live in urban areas are likely to have different needs from those living in rural areas. Some of you may have different needs depending on your age. Some of you may not have completed their schooling and will have a different needs from those who have not completed their university studies. As we come to grip with these diverse needs, we need to ensure that each group's views are treated as being as important as the other. Some of you may be more vocal than others, and I ask that we ensure that all are given the space to contribute. My ministry is clear. We are the ministry for all youths. We are now focusing on the most important document ahead of us. We have numerous challenges to address, including preparing for leadership, to develop critical thinking, creativity, and innovation for our youth population living with disabilities and other needs. Government is committed to the development of young Fijians, and by listening to young people, we will be able to progress changes in policies, review youth development and sports program, and offering relevant to contemporary youth developments in rural, urban and peri-urban areas. Ladies and gentlemen, government recognizes the young people will take over the leadership. We are very determined as a government that you, in future, will take the leadership. As our Honorable Prime Minister has made it very clear in various forums, that the youth agenda is high on his and his government's priority list. And his commitment to the agenda is reflected in all aspects of government work, including this initiative for a comprehensive youth policy. I'm a very firm believer that we must listen to our youth, and as my ministry want to hear from you as well. This is one of the ministry's objectives of this consultation, and that is to listen more to your contribution as key partners and stakeholders. We could have gone ahead and done this youth policy, but we have decided that we will go across the country and we will listen to the youth first, to the youth organizations, youth clubs, and other stakeholders. The intent is to institute a clear and a manageable framework. This will guide and enhance the delivery of youth development programs in Fiji through a coordinated partnership approach. This will involve government, community organizations to ensure the maximum return and to advance our common interest for all young people in building a better Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, participants, I wish you all the best during this consultation today. Please approach it in the spirit of an open discussion, with Talanua that will impart important pointers for the development of the national youth policy. As Franklin once said, we cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, participants, I wish you all the best and know that a productive day is ahead, all of us. Vinaka, and thank you.